Rohanga or Rohanga.
Okay.
So that is not the name of the latecomers or illegal immigrants, Bengalis. Okay? And what you give. I've already written this article.
Okay.
You know, I am a historian.
Yes.
I know what kind of source material must be reliable. Okay? It is not a primary source. These gentlemen are also historians, you know. We rely only on the primary source. We don't rely on secondary source. It is, okay, Buchanan wrote Ruanga. Please read Chittagong District Gazetteer. Bengali people is a Rizvi, R-I-Z-V-I, okay? Latest version. Chittagong District Gazetteer. He wrote that we Bengali call that the American